Hey guys, it's Danish again from Local Niche Marketing, and in this video, we are going to cover differences between custom values and custom fields. Now, when I was learning Go High Level, it was kind of difficult for me to understand these things, but uh, then I thought that it will be a good idea to create a video to not only let other people know who are learning go high level the differences, but also do a live example. And we are going to first of all learn the differences, and second, in this video we are going to do a live example or demo for both of these custom values and custom fields. Now, what are custom values? Number one, they are the characteristics, or you can say the attributes of the business. They are not liable to change, and they actually reduce redundancy while working with funnels and workflows. What is the meaning of eliminating redundancy? We are going to see in our live example. And now, what is a custom field? These are the characteristics or attributes of the lead or contact. They are definitely liable to change because all the attributes of any contacts will always differ from each other. These are used for personalizing our marketing efforts. Now, we are going to create a form with two custom fields. We are then using those custom field values to personalize our emails and then create custom values for the business to use in our workflows. So let's just get started, okay? Now, first of all, we are going to create a form, right? We are going to start from scratch. Okay. Let me just remove myself so you can see what I'm talking about. All right. So, for the sake of example, we are just going to use um, first name, phone number will be deleted, and email. And this will also be deleted. Now, if you click on this add objects field and then click on add, then because these are the attributes of contact, so they will appear under contact or general information or additional information section. We can create more folders for other attributes if we are doing some custom field generation work. Um, but for this example, we are just creating two custom fields. First one will be, what is your dog name? It will be a simple single line text. Okay. So, what is your dog dog's name? Okay. And we will group it under contact. Placeholder, we can type in, but we don't need that. So, next. Okay, if you go into contact, you can see that we have created this custom field. Okay, and second one, we are going to create a, a radio select or drop down. We are going to use drop down for this example. What is your dog's breed? Okay, so under contact, we can say German Shepherd, or we can say Pomeranian. Okay. Um, Great Dane. Uh, and one another dog is maybe Pointer. Right. So that's three of the dog breeds, and this will be available to us here. There is another way of creating custom fields, which I will show you later in this video. But for now, the form is created. If you see there, the form is created with two custom fields. We are going to create a workflow to send out personalized marketing content. So how are we going to do that? We are going to use automations, then start from scratch. And okay, so our trigger will be our form submitted. And now this is very important and critical while working on the workflows is that once you select a form as a trigger, then you always need to add a filter and then select the particular form that you created. In our case, our form name is form 1. Okay. And then we need to create an opportunity, just basic things. When a lead comes in, we will just update our pipeline stage with the opportunity name, um, and it will be first name. Okay. That's it. And then what we are going to do, remember we have created custom field, and the name of that custom field was what is your dog breed. So we are using if else statements, and then as we said earlier in this video that these are the attributes of the lead or contact. So where all the custom fields will be, yes, you're right, under the contact details. So when you click on it, what is your dog breed? Includes Pomeranian. Okay. Once the Pomeranian is there, we will personalize the marketing content. Okay. And how we are going to do that? Pomeranians are cute. Here is a testimonial from Alex. Okay. Right. So because this is a daycare center, dog daycare center, interested in selling their daycare service. So we have to let them know that we can take care of your Pomeranian. And it's a good practice to use, what you're doing, the naming conventions as the branches expand, right? So Pomeranian and then Great Dan. Okay. We can then we need to choose not Pomeranian now, Great Dan, and then we are going to duplicate it, right? And then we need to change the dog name to Pointer. Okay, Pointer. Right. So in this way, we are personalizing the experience for the lead that actually came from this forum by sending them the content related to the dog they have selected in the form, right? So again, this, okay, and then the pointer. Just for the sake of example, we are just changing a little bit of verbiage. In case of actual use cases, a lot can be done. Okay, now we can say that uh, dog breed drop down custom field personalization, right? Right. Okay. So we can publish it. Now we have to create a custom value, and the way to create custom values is here. You can see you can either create custom fields from there, which we showed earlier, how we have done so far. And the other way is you can create directly from settings and then click on custom fields and then add a field there. Now we need to create custom values. So in our case, we are going to use dog trainer's name. Okay, that is Lisa. All right. So why we are creating a custom value? Because in our marketing build up, while we are doing a lot of things, we just need to call that custom value in our workflows or in our funnels to just eliminate any redundant work that we need to do. Let's say we have to call Lisa in our workflows, we have to write the Lisa's name again and again in our workflows. And if we have a custom value, we can just call this value just like we are going to do in our workflows. Like here, we can call this, right, has trained a lot of dogs. Just to give you an example how this works, all right? So we are just going to call whenever we want to add Lisa's name, and we just don't need to write it again and again, right? So we have eliminated redundancy, right? So that's done. So let's see what we have done so far. We have created a form with two custom fields. We have sent them the personalized experiences, and now we have also created custom values for the business. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to test this out. Okay, now, okay, the first name is test. Okay, the test at the rate gmail.com. And what is dog name? Dog name is Jackie, and dog breed is Pomeranian. Okay. Now, once we test this, now let's see. Under the contact section, okay. So, clicking on that contact, you can see here. Um, Perfect, right? So, the because the email was not correct, that's why we are having this error message. But you can see here, Pomeranians are cute. Here is a testimonial from Alex, and Lisa has trained a lot of dogs. So based on the custom field, we have generated a personalized marketing content, and based on the custom value, we have eliminated the redundancy in workflows and funnels. So if you guys like this video, or if you are a business looking for help related to your go high level or anything marketing related, just contact us. The YouTube description will have all the details. Thank you.